Hi guys, and welcome to another quick inform video. So today we're doing the unboxing of the new Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. So as you can see, here it is in all its glory. This is actually the Coral Blue. So here's the Coral Blue edition. Like I said, the 9 Plus, so let's go ahead and unbox it. I just got it today, so let's go ahead and see all the cool stuff that it has to offer. So of course, like any Samsung, and I like that on their box on Samsung you can actually see their logo right here. Nice little box, of course. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside. So same thing you'll have right here. It'll say Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. I don't know how good that shows, but you'll definitely be able to see that there in a little bit when it focuses. Once we open that up, it's like a little book, and you have your SIM card extractor in here. So there we go, and then of course you have your books and all that stuff as well. Your manual. Really cares about that stuff, you know, you can just find that all online or whatever. So now that that's there, let's go ahead and actually see the phone itself. So here it is, guys. Look at that. This is brand new, still has a sticker and everything. Like I said, just got it. This is the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Unlocked, I got it unlocked. So yeah, basically it's very cool. Here we go. Here's the Coral Blue, of course. As you can see, here's the Coral Blue. Looks very, very nice. Let's see if you guys can kind of see that right there. Sorry, with all the reflections, kind of nighttime, so I had to use the lights and everything, so that's why it's all reflective. But like I said, you'll be able to see the blue on it once it focuses. If it focuses, there we go. Look at that blue, man. That's what I wanted. I wanted the Coral Blue. This is what I've always wanted since this phone came out. So let's go ahead and leave that there. So same thing inside, you will get your Samsung Smart Switch or Samsung USB connector. I already kind of went ahead and opened it up just so I can do my transfer from my Galaxy S7 Edge over to the 9. And then here we go, here's what it looks like inside. So same thing, I like that Samsung has their logo embedded right there. Once we open this up, you will get your new headphones. These are AKG headphones. Let's see if we can focus it on that. There we go, AKG. Very nice headphones. Very, very nice. I actually like that these actually have where they go inside your ear. Let me see if I can bring those right there. So you can see they go in your ear compared to the iPhones where they just kind of go in it, but not really all the way in. So these are really good for running or anything like that in the gym, since I've started going to the gym a lot more. So we'll put that aside. Of course, you will have your fast charging wall adapter. Comes same thing standard with your Samsung. As you can see, adaptive. Let's see if you can focus. Probably not, but you can see the little lightning bulb. There we go, adaptive fast charger. Always want to do that and quick charge your phone. Here's the Type-C charger, of course. Let me see if it focuses. There we go. It's a Type-C charger. So let's go ahead and open that up. Because either way, I'm gonna have to charge my phone. My phone only has about half battery, I'd say. So let me go ahead and put all this plastic away. And that's what I definitely like about it. Whoops. Sorry for the shake. I actually bumped the camera. So as you can see, let's see, Type-C connector. There we go. So Type-C charger. Of course, the phone on the bottom does have a headphone jack. As you can see, it has Type-C connector, and then the front speakers as well. So the speakers are actually not in the rear. They're on the bottom, my bad. They're in the bottom, and then of course you have your top speaker on here. your power button's right here on the right side. So power button's on the right side, and then volume up, volume down, and then your Bixby button. Then in the back you have your dual cameras. Of course, very, very cool. So very nice, guys. That is just my quick unboxing. As you can see or hear in my voice, I'm very excited to go ahead and start using my new phone. So overall, I think it's definitely worth the money. You know, if you can afford it, go ahead and get it. I'd say definitely it's worth it. But I'm gonna go ahead and start using it, and I'll do a review later on with the phone. So let me know what you guys think about it. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Dragonic Warfare signing off. So definitely check it out, guys. Just have more in the description below.